Ready to unlock the secrets to print-on-demand success? Let's dive into a head-to-head battle, Printify versus Amazon Merch. First, Printify. It's a platform connecting you with a vast network of print providers worldwide. This means more product options, competitive pricing, and greater control over your fulfillment. Step 1. Browse Printify's extensive catalog, €1 from apparel and accessories to home decor and more. Step 2. Design your products using their built-in mock-up generator or upload your own artwork. Step 3. Compare prices and shipping options from various print providers. This allows you to optimize your profit margins and delivery times. Step 4. Integrate Printify with your Shopify, Etsy, or other e-commerce platform. Now, let's explore Amazon Merch on Demand, Amazon's in-house print-on-demand service. One major advantage: direct access to Amazon's massive customer base. Step 1. Apply to join Amazon Merch. €1 acceptance can take time. Step 2. Once approved, upload your designs and select the products you want to sell. Keep in mind product options are limited compared to Printify. Step 3. Set your prices and write compelling product descriptions that will attract Amazon shoppers. Step 4. Leverage Amazon's advertising options to boost visibility of your products within their marketplace. Printify wins on product variety and control, making it ideal if you want to build a brand. But Amazon Merch taps into a huge customer base, which is good for volume, but harder to stand out from the crowd. So, which platform is the best fit for your print-on-demand dreams? Let me know in the comments below which platform you would choose and why.